Hi, this is Andy Tuttle with the Tuttle Group at Fairway Mortgage and one of the expert contributors here on the American Dream TV. Here's your mortgage minute for the day. So there's a lot of noise out there right now about interest rates being on the rise, and people are concerned that, should I still buy a house because the interest rates are so high? Well, remember, they're still historically low, and when you can borrow money on a debt this large, under 5%, you're in great shape. It's still cheap money, and so don't be discouraged with that, but also be more concerned and focused on choosing a professional that can really help you when it comes to your financing. Here are 4 simple questions you can ask to make sure you're dealing with a professional so you can have a memorable and enjoyable experience and get great competitive terms. So number 1, just ask if they know who the Fed president is. If they don't know that it's Jerome Powell, well, that should be a red flag. You need to know who's in charge of monetary policy and what that means to you when you're getting your mortgage financing so you can have a proper loan and lock strategy. Number 2, see if they have live access to the mortgage bonds and mortgage quotes. Because if they don't, and they're not watching the market daily or have someone on their team doing it, then they're not going to know when a good time to lock or a good time to float is. And right now, in the last 3 weeks, with interest rates spiking 0.3% or more in some cases, if you're not watching the right indicators, then you are in big trouble, and that could cost you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Number 3, do they even know what interest rates are based on? Again, if they don't know that it's mortgage bonds or mortgage-backed securities and they're watching the wrong indicator, that could cost you a lot of money. And number 4, do they know what it means when the Fed changes the Fed funds rate? So if they think when the Fed ups the interest rate 0.25% that immediately ups mortgage interest rates 0.25%, that's incorrect. In fact, many times when the Fed makes a move in one direction, interest rates go in the opposite direction. You need to deal with a professional so you can ask these right questions and get real answers that can help make sure you choose someone that's going to help you use your mortgage, which is a financial instrument that can help you create wealth correctly and then give you a memorable and enjoyable experience in one of the biggest decisions you'll make in your life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.